So the word kwechiri is actually chiri, that is stand to an end. Kwechi or kwechiri, that is persist or endure. Okay, chi is actually end there. Now the last meaning we are going to be looking at in the Hebrew language for kum or kum is to prepare. Okay, to prepare. Now when you come into the Igbo language, we also have a word for prepare that is still from this same root, kum or kum. Now the word is kwado. Kwado. Kwado means to prepare. Okay, kwado. Now at the root, the word is actually ado. Ado. So who they are to join and the do. Actually saying set up in order. Who to set up. The do signifies order. It signifies order. So essentially when you say kwado, you are saying set up in order. That is prepare it. Of course, something that is disorganized is not prepared. Okay, so when you organize it, you are essentially preparing it. So do set up in order. So you can see that all the meanings as listed in Hebrew is exactly as it's found in the Igbo language, and that is why if you saw the first video, the first installment of this set of videos, you would observe where I said that the Igbo language is a variation of Hebrew as spoken in Judea. That is to say that it is essentially Hebrew, though in another form, in another representation. So we are just going to be looking at the word map. These are all the words that are essentially coming out from kum or kum, which is the Hebrew root. Now look at all the words in Igbo coming out. I mean, the words are too much. These are the ones we could even cover in the video. They are much more. It will spread out up to maybe 500 words or even more within the Igbo language. So that is essentially how the Igbo language has formed from his Hebrew. There are many words. This is just one video. Several other videos will still come about. There are many. It's uncountable, to be very frank with you. So this was just a video showing us how the Igbo language is essentially Hebrew, and there will be many videos like this. I will see you on another video. Thank you for listening.